Nowadays, 90% of consumers are always on the hunt for the best prices. McKinsey reports suggest that finding the optimal price can increase your operational margin by 8%. How do you solve the competition puzzle? That's where SYMSON steps in. After SYMSON gathers your desired competitor data, you can monitor and automate your repricing process, and on top of it, bring your pricing to the next level via our smart pricing features. Let's start from the basics. How to acquire the product data. SYMSON offers a native integration to Amazon and Google Shopping to get the most accurate view of the market. Let's move on to website scraping. With SYMSON, we're able to extract any data that's publicly displayed on the product page or embedded within the page source. This includes product variations, reviews, and even data behind login portals and bot-aware sites. We also offer Pricelists for imports. To get insights into the B2B competitor landscape, you can use data gathered by your salespeople to generate a historical overview of prices. In order to monitor the prices of products in physical stores, you can connect your Bardcode software, device, or apps to our API to track these product prices. If your data acquisition puzzle is still not solved, you may ask our brilliant team of data scientists to create a customized AI solution, for example, by using image matching or by deploying customized search parameters to unique product identifiers that can be tailored to extract and correlate the exact product data you need. Once we've matched and gathered the prices, we move on to price monitoring. We don't just gather the data, we empower our clients with the ability to act on it. We provide smart insights showing price comparison trends over time, and can even customize reports to your specific needs because we understand the importance of flexibility. Another powerful feature we offer is repricing. With SYMSON's repricing module, you can fully automate your repricing process based on a combination of cutting-edge pricing strategies and a custom set of rules. We enable you to create a custom logic tailored to your specific requirements. At SYMSON, we understand that dealing with a competitive landscape is just one piece of the puzzle. In order to get the optimal price for your business purpose, region, price group, etc., SYMSON offers you the three missing pieces. Deploy scientifically proven algorithms to navigate the complex pricing terrain, leveraging well-researched models for optimal profitability. Our AI algorithms use time-tested economic models and complex calculations to accurately estimate optimal prices. Just as crucial to success is having a versatile, holistic approach to setting your prices. We do this by applying strategies like price elasticity, sensitivity, seasonality, and many other drivers to your basic pricing design. Just as important as testing your assumptions and applying learning cycles to improve your pricing process, humans should be in charge, but with the help of AI and smart tools, we can really bring it to the next level. Our scientifically proven algorithms, multi-dimensional pricing strategies, and dynamic hyperlearning systems don't just solve your pricing puzzle, they redefine it. Get your pricing to the next level.